Hello everyone! Today we will learn how to set up loyalty and rewards integrations on your Shopney mobile app. Let's not lose any time, and on your Shopney dashboard, please see the integrations section. Under the integrations section, you will see all the integrations that we already provide, and with ease you can set them up within minutes. We are currently integrated with Smile.io and Loyalty Lion apps. And right before I dive into how to set them up, I want to highlight the importance of these features in terms of building up your app retention, your customer retention. You already have your customers at hand, you already have them shopping from your store, but they must have further reasons to come back and shop again. And that's where the loyalty and rewards features come to the game, and they allow you to keep your customers coming back for more and more. All right, let's get back to business. And as I've said, Smile.io and Loyalty Lion are the integrations that we already support. And since the main data source of your Shopney app is your Shopify website, you need to make sure these integrations are already working for your online store, that is your Shopify website. Once you check that and confirm they are working properly, all you need to do is either for these integrations, clicking on them where you are welcomed with the integration setup panel. All you need to do to enable the integration is following the configuration steps one by one. So for the loyalty setup, you go to your Shopify dashboard, open the app section under home, and choose the app you want to integrate with. On the settings page from the bottom left of the screen, you need to choose platform, where you will see your Shopify store. You click on more, and there you will see your public and private keys, which are basically the most important keys to enable any integration. You receive your public and private keys from your Shopify admin, and you copy and paste them right here on your Shopney dashboard. And once you enable the integration and click on Save Changes, your integration will be up and running. We have also provided some FAQ sections here, but in case you require any further help, please do reach out to our support team 24/7, and we'll be happy to help out. Oh, and just a quick note, this is not blue yet, simply because all these key sections are currently empty, but you will be seeing your keys on your Shopify admin, and if you require any help, please let us know. Have a great day. Bye bye.